I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now I don't want to delay. Let me go ahead and grab the box. Boom, Nike tape. As you can see, let's go ahead and bring the shoe out. One thing that I've noticed as I look back at some of my previous sneaker reviews is that sometimes I talk a little too much and I don't show you the shoes until 3 to 5 minutes later. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into this box. As you can see, that familiar box, because you all know Big Roth, proud member of the Bron gang. Alright, so there's that Bron box that we're familiar with. That LeBron 18 box. LeBron James 18 Nike 2020-2021. Just Do It, BBZ, all of that. 330, everything. Alright. These are the LeBron 18. Alright. Colorway is black and bright crimson. Size 14, of course. Alright. These restocked a few weeks ago, and I was able to pick them up. So, let's go ahead and get into it. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Roth TV. Whew. Yo, this colorway, this particular LeBron 18, in my humble opinion, this is the best LeBron 18 so far. This one. This one so far is my favorite. I have 4 pairs. I returned the Lake Show, so I don't have that pair anymore. But these, woo! Something about these right here. Something about the detail. You all see the sparkle. The sparkles going through the black area there. Oh. Something about this one. It just does it for me. Look at how the colors and everything going around. See how it changes colors. Same on the tongue. Kinda changes a little bit. Man, let me go ahead and take that shoe tree up out of here. Ooh-wee. Where are the laces at? Okay, they're right there. Laces right there. The shoe tree out. And here's the laces. Nothing on the lace tips, just regular black and white laces. Alright. Go ahead and unlace that. So on the tongue, you see that K and M. There's a K and an M on the tongue. That represents the French soccer player. I'm not gonna even try to destroy his last name, but his first name is like Killian. Last name starts with the M. I'll try to remember to put that up on the screen, but I'm not gonna attempt to destroy this man's name. But that's what the K and M stand for. This is a collab between LeBron and the French soccer player Killian with the M last name. I hate when people pronounce my name wrong, so I'm not gonna destroy this man's name. But that's what those letters stand for. This is called the LeBron 18, the Chosen 2. So this is celebrating both Killian's love of soccer and LeBron's love of basketball. So it's the Chosen 2. You have a lot of the KMs going around on the back of the shoe there. If you all can see that KM going around on the back of the shoe. But your typical LeBron logo there on the back of the shoe from the city of Akron, Ohio. Here, from the city of Akron, Ohio there. Man, that coloring, man, that going around the shoe is just so smooth, man. It's just so smooth how it is right there. Boom. It's kind of the same as on the bottom. And as you can see, you got that orange LeBron logo in the center. But look at the, man, look at the color change in there. And in the bubble. And you got your purple and your orange there. And then your double orange swoosh there. You see, look at how the light hits it and you get that sparkle throughout the shoe. You may not be able to see it direct, boom, but then you get that light. You see all the sparkles going around the shoe. I think that's dope. There's something that is being said here in the middle, but I cannot exactly see what that says. I'm not quite understanding what that says in the middle here. There's the same line at the bottom, the LeBron line there. Or no, the LeBron line is at the top here. The back of the tongue, you can see the line there. What is on the other side here? Is that also a line? Yeah, it is. It's also a line. I was right. There's a lion on that side at the bottom and at the top. Alright. On the inside, which I think is very dope, if you all can see that, it's a half soccer field and half basketball court on the insole there. Half basketball court and half soccer field to represent both players. And then with Killian's initials all around the insole in orange on the purple insole. So that's very smooth, very smooth. Let's go ahead and grab the right boy to see if there's any difference. Right shoe second. All right, on the right boy, on the right boy is pretty much the same. It's just the swoosh is on the opposite side there. And then on the back, it says established 1984. Of course, the year that LeBron was born. All right. On the right shoe, they have the Lion King. The Lion King is up front, and then the KM is on the back. So they just switched it up a little bit. Everything else appears to be the same. Same initials and everything on the back. This is a very dope shoe, man. This is my favorite one. I do feel like of the pairs that I've had, let's get that out of here. Of the pairs that I have purchased, maybe the James Gang and the Lake Show were the two that were easily wearable, but I returned the Lake Show, as I mentioned. I do still have the James Gangs and both of the LA by day, LA by night. I have both of those. So this will be the fourth one, but I do think of the ones that I have now, this one is easily rockable. I do think this one is easily rockable. But you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so here we are on feet. This is what I had on today. It's all kinds of snow down here in Texas. These were a terrible choice. Snow and ice out there, but this is what I had on today to make some runs to the store. These Air Max 270s in that cactus colorway. Very dope shoe. Alright, you all seen these before. Let's get these out the way. Boom. This is what you came to see. Somebody once asked me in a video recently in the comment section, yo Ralph, why are your pants so big? Because they are, man. Dang, get off my pants. Anyway, here they are on feet. Boom, size reference. This is my big toe right here. This is my big toe. LeBron 18s are weird for me. I don't know. I feel like I could go down a little bit, but when I have a 13 and a half, and it feels a little snug, so I don't know. I feel like lengthwise I could maybe go down, but width, I don't think I can. But what I love about this shoe, man, is just the iridescent colors, man. I'm looking at it from up here, and the whole tongue looks green from my eyes. Whereas when I had it in my hand and closer to my face, it was purple. But then when I bend my foot like that to show you all, it's purple again. Man, I love that. I love that about this shoe. I love that, man. Just the colors changing, however you are. That iridescence, baby, it's great. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. And look at the iridescence on the bottom of the shoe, baby. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Yo, without a shadow of a doubt, these get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, because these are just too sweet and easily to me, in my opinion, these are easily the best LeBron 18 thus far. Just thus far, in my opinion. At least the best ones that I own. These are. I love these. I don't know if it's just how the colors, you know, change and all of that. But, man, so far, these are my favorites. Now watch, now that I've said that, they about to drop something that's about to be absolutely fire, and then I'm gonna lose my mind and this is gonna mean nothing. But as of right now, hands down, this is the best LeBron 18 in my opinion. Alright? But anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.